Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing power variables so the headset and base have a clean state. Turn the Arctis Pro wireless off and pull the swappable battery. Set it on the charger for about 10-15 seconds. Meanwhile, power down and unplug the base station and the wireless transmitter module from power and audio. This ensures no residual charge or connection will interfere. Once done, wait a few seconds before proceeding. This reduces firmware hanging and prepares both units for the full reset sequence. Now perform the actual factory reset and repairing. Reinsert the battery and hold the headset power button together with the chat mix knob for roughly 10-12 seconds. This forces a hardware-level reset and clears profiles. Next, press and hold the transmitter pairing button until its LED flashes rapidly, then place it next to the base so they can re-establish a clean connection. Make sure to open SteelSeries Engine or use the base station menus once linked to confirm firmware is current. Finish by verifying functionality. Reconnect the base to your PC or console, test audio and mic levels, and confirm chat mix and EQ behave as expected. If pairing or audio issues persist, reboot both the headset and base, repeat the pairing sequence, and try alternate inputs such as optical versus USB. If problems remain, reinstall SteelSeries Engine and update firmware from the app. That often resolves persistent profile corruption. If you still see failures after these steps, collect logs and contact support for deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.